Hey there friends, are you ready to create a magical cat unicorn? In this video, we'll be using markers to bring this adorable Caticorn to life. Let's start!
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets but if you don't want to tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks.
And there you have it, a magical cat unicorn. Isn't it adorable? I hope you had fun creating this drawing. Check the playlist with my other cute animal drawings, it's now on the left. Let's draw together. See you in my next video.